All right, here we go. In 3, 2, and 1. Good Lord, I got all these pop-ups that want to go on right now, but what's not popping up is the chat. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Bingo, bango. Bingo and a bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time is your time, it's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we show you how to successfully trade without all the complicated terms, pattern memorizations. That stuff's boring. Man, I'll tell you what's not boring. My camera. Am I really lowered down the saturation? Let's do it in black and white today. Good morning, guys. How are you doing? Let's get back to the stocks. No, thank you. Let's do this. To me, it just looks too orange, but right now it looks all right. Looks all right. Here we go, guys. Let's go. We're looking at the daily. We're looking at RUNE. RUNE is up 36%. And I love it how everybody called RUNE. And everybody's very good because they call. Oh my gosh, I'm not even gonna go into that story. Everybody called RUNE though. Everybody talked about it today, yesterday, last week, last month. Everybody talked about it. I've been seeing that a whole bunch on Twitter, on YouTube. We called RUNE out 17 days ago and blah, blah. Does that really count? We called RUNE out yesterday. Really? Did you call out other ones too? Jealous, Joe? No, it's just funny when a coin pumps and you just so happen to talk about it. You know, I talked about RUNE this morning. Really? That's cool. That's good. All right, here we go. Yeah, but there's, man, so many people. It's all over the Twitter space. The Twitter space. We called RUNE out 14 days, 32 hours ago. Really? Did you call out any other coins? Like yesterday or today or? Yes, as a matter of fact, we did. We called out 42 today and 87 yesterday. Oh, how are they doing? RUNE, but look at RUNE. Okay, man, got it. Let's see here. Bingo Bango from Moho. What's going on? What? Hey, we got Wix Wi-Fi 89 in the house. What's going on? See here, missed the boat on RUNE. I don't even care about RUNE. Like, this to me is nothing. Like, it's a shot in the dark. It really is. It's like saying that you missed out on FTN. I mean, this is, it's just so funny though. I didn't miss out on it. I didn't even get it. I didn't miss out on it though. There's too many coins. There's way too many coins. But it's just so funny though. In a sea of red, there's one green one. And everybody called that one out. Everybody. Did I? Nope. Sure didn't. Wasn't on my radar. Why? What did they do? What have they been doing? Look at me. I got ABC coin and it went up 97%. It hasn't done anything in the past 3.5 years, but I called it. Oh. Okay. It's just funny. So funny. That's going on. Let's do it, guys. Let's do it. So this is on the daily. Now this is on the hour. We do have Trump and down 4%. Is it old news already? Like, I don't even feel excited about this one anymore. We got Pepe. We got Bonk. We got Hype. We got nothing too exciting. Not in my opinion. Let's see if we can see some excitement in Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, I did a video early this morning. Well, I wouldn't say early. I think it was like around 8 or 9 this morning. And just kind of giving an update on Bitcoin, what we're looking at. If you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe. If you don't have the notification bell on, shame on you. Shame on you. Have that notification bell on because you will be notified anytime I post videos, anytime I go live. And I'm gonna be going live more and more. That way, all these people who call out RUNE, it's too funny. Here we go. But we're talking this morning in reference to, we want to see a higher low. We really do. So here we have a low, higher low, and then price was right here. And we're saying that it's fine if it comes down. We just don't want to create a lower low. We want a higher low. And the lows we want to go, the lowest we want to go is here. And it came down, came up, came down, went sideways. And then we made the video this morning here saying that this is our level. This is our level that we need to break. You know, right now we're currently making this, you know, this is a lower low than this. However, it's a higher low than this. And what we want to see is we want to see price was here right now. We want to see the price come up, breaking this high, and then potentially, you know, getting rejected here as well. Coming down, finding support. I mean, it could come a little bit lower as long as we don't break this level. The main thing, level by level. We want to break the higher levels. We don't want to break the lower levels. That's pretty much what it comes down to. Comes down, stops, and then breaks this newly created level to break this level. And then of course, you know, come down, bounce here, and then now we're starting to go up. This would be good. The more that I look at this right now, due to this, it's not showing strength. It's going up, but it's not showing strength. What would strength look like? Strength would look like this. Right now it's going, I don't want to go. I mean, but I'll go, but I really don't want to go. Fine. That's what it's doing. This is saying, yeah, I want to go. Let's go. Come on. That's what that's saying. This is dragging their feet. This is very happy going. So right now it's not looking good. Yes, it is going up. I don't like how it looks. It reminds me a lot of this. I don't want to go. Fine. Fine. And then bloop. This one is fine. I'll go. Let's go. Boom, boom, boom. This is what I want. I want ups and downs. It's just, I mean, this one has better structure or even better ups and downs. This part I don't like. Then it came up, came down. Okay. Man. I'm thinking right now. I'll get to your chat in just a moment, guys. Right now, man, if we break this level, I see this happening. Like, I don't even want to think about it. I'm not even gonna do that. Let's do this. Magnet tool right there. Hold down shift, come this way. All right, so if it breaks this level, and to me it looks pretty good to break the level, but hold on, slow down. Right now it looks really good to break this level. We're on the hourly time frame. These candles are very small. Get out of here, Magnet. These candles are very small. It's not showing a lot of strength. Even though we are going up, it's not showing ups and downs. It's just kind of going through the motions. But if it does come down and then come up, if it does come down and then come up, this is showing, now it's starting to do a nice structure that I like. Up, down, up. However, if it just kind of droops over and cannot get a bounce right here at 104, let's go put this right here at 104.2. If it cannot get a bounce, I see this happening like a pretty quick drop too. I wouldn't say as quick as that. this is pretty hard too fast. Well, let me just draw it out. I see it coming down, breaking this one for sure. Coming down here, this, and then maybe this. So notice this is coming down right here, kind of the same as this. And this is our decision point right here. We need to see if it's going to bounce off of this. So right now, I would anticipate it to go. And this, here's the thing too, like, it's not so much flipping and flopping on my decisions or my, I don't say predictions, but on my thought process of where the price might go, is not flipping and flopping. It's when I go to it a few hours later, based off of the information that I have in the moment, at that moment, basis on what I think might happen next. Here, when the price is here, I'm saying it might go down. And it did. Not as much. This was the max that I wanted to go down. So it did go down. And then here, I was saying more than likely go up. It did go up. But now, just because, I mean, I would have liked to seen up, down, up, you know, within these few candles, instead of just dragging their feet, just participating, not really engaging. That's why I see this. And because of that, now I'm saying, I'm pretty sure it's like a fighter. This fighter right now doesn't even have his hands up. Like his hands are like this, and he's not even shuffling his feet or moving or nothing. He's just like this. When's the bell gonna ring? Like when's the bell gonna ring? And when we see a down and an up, or a nice up and a down, we see the fighter like this. I mean, he's ready, and he's sideways and everything. He's moving. He's moving his head. He's not doing he's not staying still, and he's doing this number. All right, where you at, man? Where you at? You know, oh, getting dizzy. Like he's doing that, and he's ready. His thumbs are, his thumbs are down. His fists are tight. He's ready. If he fights like this, or if he fights like this, but he's ready. No matter what, he's ready. This other one, I like this. Come on, man. Where's the bell? So because of this, I do think it's going to come down. And then this is depending, did the coach give him water? Did the coach, allow him to sit down, get a breather really quick, that we can get up and fight? Or is it like, you know what? I'm not feeling good. You got a towel? I need to wipe my brow. I need to wipe my forehead. And then he gets the towel and he just throws it, and then poof, comes down. For those of you who don't know boxing, that means he threw in the towel and he gave up. All right, let's just look at charts. Let's look at the chat. Mo says, RUNE, has RUNE actually sorted their problem? The pump means nothing if they go under. They're going under. I don't even know what happened to RUNE. No idea. See here, Automatic Beat says, woohoo, let's freaking go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Yes, indeed. Automatic knows how to bring the energy. Yes. Good stuff, guys. Good stuff. Going on the list. We got Duality Crypto in the house. What's up, my man? Appreciate you for being here. Automatic Beats, thank you for being here. See here, we have Tyndall in the house. I'm guessing Tyndall. Nobody knows. That's right. Nobody knows, up or down. Or if you're referring to RUNE, why did it pump? Nobody knows. You might be referring to that. Not sure. But whatever way, it is true. See here, Mo says, if this, then that. Exactly. If this, then that. Very true. Very true. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and get back to the chats. See here, can you take a look at SH? Yes, definitely, my man. So anybody else who wants a chart, let me know. I got my trusty notebook. So we're gonna do SHX. It's made some nice moves in the last 24 hours. Oh, not interested then. We'll look at it, but I'm not interested. All right. So for Bitcoin, I do think it's going to come down, and then we'll see what happens here. Does that mean that it will go down? No. And if you're that person in my comments that say, you know, if you think it's going to go down, why don't you short it? Doesn't make sense, man. Why would I short just this little bit, babysit this, when I'm literally neck deep in research, if not further, man? Sometimes I'll drown in the research. It doesn't make any sense to babysit this when we can make more money with all the research that I do. Doesn't make sense. But it's funny, I haven't heard from that guy in like 3 days now. I don't know if his mom punished him or if he's, you know, punished from the internet. Don't know. But for this one, I'd say it's gonna come down. Doesn't mean that it will. Nope. What if it goes up? Then it went up. And then it comes down and continues down. But then it went up and continued down. Now it's doing something. But right now it's doing nothing. I don't like it. So I'm gonna, if I had a dollar to say if it's gonna go up or down, I'd say down. We'll see. All right. So let us, man, I have way too many tabs open. I don't even know how my computer works. I really don't. I don't know how my computer works. Good Lord. Let's go over here. Oh, I do know why Jupiter is moving. Because of this. Got some news. Solana, DEX, Jupiter acquires majority stake in Moonshot to boost liquidity aggregation. We've been in this one for 8 days now, and this is a long-term hold. This is not something we're just trying to trade. It's a long-term hold, and doing all right. Doing all right. We had a nice pump today because of this, but let's see. Let's go to, oh, let's put this in this tab. Let's go to this, and let's go to this. RUNE. I want to see this. THORChain. Now I did see something on THORChain. I forgot it was THORChain. I did see something come up on my, because I have a bunch of stuff that gets sent to me. Where is it? Let's see here. THORChain. They didn't call it RUNE, they called it THORChain. THORChain. Okay. So this was the only thing that came up. Oh, so it plunging. RUNE plunges 30% as THORChain pauses Bitcoin Ether withdrawals. This thing did come up, but on the title it just says THORChain. I didn't read it. No, I did read it, but it didn't say RUNE in the description of my post. It just says THORChain. And I haven't looked at THORChain / RUNE in forever. Why did it pump though? THORChain lending program only has Bitcoin and Ethereum, but its Saver Vault support more assets. THORChain meets its lending obligations by minting RUNE and selling it into liquidity pools. As such, deposits has been turned off a year ago as the community became increasingly concerned with the risk at the time. Some community members allege liabilities of nearly 200 million. Of that, some 107 million is contained in liquidity pools, which could be withdrawn or sold by liquidity providers, LPs, or RUNE holders in case of panic. Then here is a tweet by TCB, says THORChain is insolvent. In the event of any large debt redemption and or savers and since deleveraging, it is certain that THORChain cannot meet its Bitcoin and Ethereum dominated obligations. Validators decided to pause the network while they vote and a reconstructing plan. And you're happy with that? Oh, look at me. I did this call. Really? Okay. So that's RUNE. Let's go to all. Okay, so I mean, it's been coming down. I mean, this doesn't look horrible. 2021, okay. 22, 23 coming up. The chart, this doesn't look horrible. The market cap looks good. Markets, good. Binance, KuCoin, MEXC, DeFi, which we talked about, DEX. It doesn't look bad. It didn't look dead. I thought it was gonna look dead. Numbers are okay. I mean, okay. So enough of that. Let's go to RUNE. Let's see RUNE. RUNE USDT, and we're gonna get to SHX. So THORChain. Oof, ouch. When did people make money on this? Everyone was saying that they called it today. Is it this one that they're talking about? I guess 30%. Why would you give a call on that? I mean, I can see it came down here. Okay, so first what I want to do is I want to see why people gave a call out on this yesterday. So let's go ahead and draw this out. So my main level is right here. Let's establish our main level. Let's see. Where's everybody at? Did they leave? Are they ready to go? Okay, we're gonna look at this one in just a moment. I'm very curious on RUNE. Okay. Now, I would think this will be my buy zone. Not looking over here. I'm looking over here. I don't think it'll go lower than this. I don't think it'll go lower than this. What to do here? So actually here we have another box. Okay. Okay, so now looking at this. Okay, so what I have given this call out depends on your trading style. If you're an investor, yes, I would have given it. If you're a trader, no, I would not have given it. Why? Investor, you expect for it to go down, or rather, it's okay if it goes down. As a trader, you're getting stopped out. Would I have provided this to a trader? Definitely not. Why? Price. Let's take off this green candle. Get out of here, green candle. We don't want you. So let's say today was yesterday. We don't know that it went up. Would we enter this? Man, why? This looks exactly like this, or 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 like this. Any massive dump, that's what it looks like. Why would I tell somebody to enter right now? Oh yeah, definitely. Thank you so much for being here. Why would I tell somebody to enter in right now? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this one. If it was a trade, if you're looking to invest in this, yeah, definitely enter right now. Huge discount. More than likely, it'll hopefully bounce here. We'll see. I don't think it'll go lower than this, but it could. But if I was doing a trade, too risky. Because what could happen, price could come up to like these levels, plus none of that, but this level too. Could come up, then come down, then come up to this level, and continue down. If it was an investment, sure, you enter some now, and then you do about 35% lower. Oof, that's way too much. I'd have to do, I would do one here for sure, 30% lower. Our entries are always blue. And then one about here, 50%. This is if it was an investment. If it's a trade, no way. No way would I give this out. Okay, hold on. Notice my face, my change. On the daily, I wouldn't. Of course, I always do top-down analysis. I go to 4 hour, then the 1 hour. Okay. On the 4 hour, because again, this is how I trade. I go the 4 hour or the daily, doesn't look great. The 4 hour, totally different story. We had a down, up, it broke this level. If I saw this right now, I wouldn't enter because we're right underneath this very strong resistance. It could come down to here, come up, and then do this. What is the price range difference? About 10%. If this is a trade, I would put a lower bid here. Man, I'm thinking about, let's see here. Tidell, if you're here, let me know. Put in the chat that you're here. If you're here, let me know. I'm thinking, because I broke this level, I think it's gonna come down. I'm gonna. You're here. Okay, good. Thank you, man. Yours is up next, brother. Yours is up next. Oh man, I want to say I'm gonna do a lower bid here, but I'm afraid of getting stopped out just because of this. You know what? I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna see if it comes down, if it comes up, and then it breaks this level. Then I'll enter here. So what I want to do on this particular one. So here's the thing, guys. For everybody who's here, this is what I do. I already know what happens, but I act as if I don't. And I'm going through the play. Should I enter? Should I not enter? If so, what do I do? Granted, I know it went up, but if you can have that mentality of what would I do, even if I did, especially if I didn't know, because when you're actually trading, you don't know what's going to happen. So this is what I do. Is like, man, like, would I do this? Would I do? And there's been a few times where I was like, I'd enter, and I know it went down. I would enter. It has all the right stuff. I would enter, and it goes down. I get stopped out. Even though I knew it was going down, it looks great. So right now I'm gonna wait, and we're gonna play this and just see what happens. Hey, cheater. Where did my play button go? Oh, that's it? Oh. I guess so. Well, then this was the dump. Why would you enter on this? So this was the dump right here. And they gave a call to enter. I wouldn't. Why? I mean, it could go up and then continue coming down. Like it's done. Look at this. I wouldn't have entered. I would not have done a call of entering right now. I would have done a call of entering, breaking on this level, which would have been this candle. We would have entered here, but now it's further up. So I'd have to wait. All right, moving on. I just want to see that. Tyndale says, I'm here, man. I'm here. Here to get the wisdom, here to get the knowledge. I love it. So first, we're going to look at SHX, and I'm going to show you that this is a low market cap coin. I don't know the coin. Stronghold. Low market cap. Bunch of wicks. Ugly wicks. 4 hour. Good Lord. How small is this market cap? Pretty small. I'm going to say under 600 million. I'm going to say under 600 million. Survey says SHX. Ooh, so close. So close. It is a slow market cap though. 100 million. Ouch. So okay. It's been around for a bit. Since 2019. Had a nice little run up in 2021, last cycle. And then now last cycle, all these coins, they maxed out in November 2021. This one actually did it before November and not again in November. Keynote. Okay. It doesn't move with the herd. Then it had a nice little pump. And this, okay, starting to go up, starting to wake up. Now, granted, these pumps look massive, but they only look massive because, well, it's a low market cap. It's like being the tallest guy of little people. And still, you know, just kind of give you a heads up. All right, let's see here. We are going down the list. Tags. Boring. DeFi. Okay. Boring. Got it. DeFi. Markets. Savello. Oh, red flag. Ooh, big red flag. Let's go back to the chart. Tell you why. Been around since 2019. That is what? 19, like what, 6 years? 6 years. I was looking at the months. It's like, are we in January? It's been around 6 years. Huge red flag. Mexi, Geteo, that's it? Really? BitTrue? And your volume is only 577,000. Could this pump? Yes. Would I ever buy this coin? No. Why? Volume isn't there. You may be able to buy it. You're going to jack up the price. When it comes to you selling it, it's going to be hard. Because you need buyers. That's the only way you can sell is if someone's there to buy. You can only buy if someone's there to sell. Now, all these people that love low market cap coins will shill it because they already bought. So whenever you buy, you're buying from them. You're pumping their bags. And everybody who talks about this coin on the internet, just know they're not doing it for you. They're doing it for them. They've already bought in. Maybe a couple months ago, $10 here, $5 here, $20 here, on and on and on, just building their bags, and then they pump it. Hey guys, I got this 10x coin. It's ready. You know, when it does this, it's guaranteed a 15x. What happens? You buy it. Okay, so I would recommend, I strongly recommend you watching this video. This video, it's going to make you money. It's going to save you money. All these videos, really. And of course, we have member only videos. If you want to be a member, help support the channel, you can do that. If you want to, and this is just like portions of what I provide in the VIP. If you don't have money for the VIP, at least you can do some of these memberships. If you can't do the memberships because you have no money, period, you get the stuff here for free. So it's like different levels. Here for free, memberships. It depends on the tier membership, depending on what you get. And of course, the final is VIP. All right, moving on. But I do want to show you this. A lot of VIP. Oh, I have a master series on TradingView. So check that out. Any video you watch, definitely smash the like and comments. But this video right here is what you need. I'm telling you right now. Well, you need these mentors. How to get wrecked. You don't want to do this. You know, if your mentor tells you something like this, be careful. Careful. But this video right here, I'm gonna actually put in the chat. Copy. I put in the chat. This video talks about volume, liquidity, order books. If you don't know those three things, you will get wrecked. You will get wrecked. Moving on. So it's been around 6 years. Huge red flag. I'm not getting this coin. Just looking at this, I'm not getting the coin. Now let's go to their website. Website looks cool. Most tokens store value. Most tokens store value. SHX creates it. Ooh, I like it. I like the tag. I like the saying. I like it. Stronghold's expanding payments ecosystem, boring, uses the SHX token as a building block with real world purpose. There's too many of these. How do you stand out? Literally, how do you stand out? It's a payment system. How do you stand out? There are so many of these. Okay. A climate-friendly crypto system or cryptocurrency. Okay. The #1 crypto Discord server. Debatable. Okay. Exchange with security and ease. 6 years, my friend. Uniswap, really? Where's KuCoin? Where's Blowfin? Where's like all these other Hold SHX in secure wallets? Never heard of that one. Never heard of that one. Heard that one. Don't think I heard of that. But regardless, you can hold them in the wallets. Okay. The currency of loyalty. Reward program. I guess staking. Liquidity for DeFi. Okay. Play a role in Stronghold's governance. Okay. Built for developers. Got it. Okay. Now let's go to their Twitter and let's see how much. Let's see the lack of engagement. I haven't even looked down yet. Let's see the lack of engagement. I don't know. I'm not being harsh on it. I'm just being truthful and honest. Here we go. Been around 6 years. They have only 20. I'll give them credit. 25,000 people, followers. They've been around 6 years. 25,000. Red flag. January 14, they pinned this. Okay. Instant rewards. Okay. Nice little commercial. The 24th today, or yesterday. Okay. It's not just a token. They say the same thing over and over again. 22nd, 2 days before this day. What excites you most about potential? Blah, blah. Okay. And the day before that. Okay. Day before that. Okay. 4 days before that one. This. Okay. Day before that. This one. Okay. Day before, no, same day. Okay, then 2 days before that, this one. The first Stronghold 101 dropping tomorrow. So YouTube video. Then 2 days before that, posted this. So they're just giving information about their stuff. They're not saying we're partnering with such and such. They're not saying that we're in talks of expanding this and this. They're not saying we've updated our roadmap. They're just giving information about what they are in little segments every 2 days to 4 days. Now let's look at the engagement. 300. I mean, that's not bad. 500. Okay, so the numbers are bad, but these numbers can be bought. January 6th. Okay, they didn't say they partnered with them, so they may have already been partnered with them. And third. So these numbers could be bots. Let's go and let's look at their. Let's see here. 189 followers. Red Book. If I see Red Book on the next post, they're fake. Take a look at Milestone Stronghold Governance. So I'm pretty sure that's a bot. Because who would post that? Literally. This is it looks like a bot too. Like who would post this? Yeah, it's a bot. This one did a period just to put a comment in there. Is this AI video? I think my vision's going bad. That's a real. The Stronghold army grows larger in 2025. I love it. The votes for 26, blah, blah, or 24. It's another bot. Somebody does this. Is this the same message? Pretty much. Okay, so these messages are from bots. Like who would post this? Stronghold's governance is empowering. It's like nobody would post that. A bot will post that. They have a lot of bots in here. So I'm not even gonna look to see if that dude was a bot. Okay. So too many red flags for me. See here, Sin says, speaking of engagement, tap the like. There you go, my friend. Smash the like, guys. Smash the like. I'm giving you the experience of how to find coins that are gonna make you money. Now, can this make you money? Sure. You just need to find somebody else to buy it from you. That's it. That's really it. Do I think it's gonna do good? No. If you want to buy $1,000 of this coin, you will definitely move it. 100%. Moving on. All right. But Joe, it's moving. I don't like it. I don't like the couple things I do like. I like that it's slow and gradual. I will say that. I do like that. Slow and gradual. Why though? Out of all the stuff that I looked at, it's not good. Out of all the information I looked at, the information is not good. Why is it moving up? There has to be YouTubers. No, I wouldn't talk about this. There has to be people on Twitter talking about this coin. Maybe. I don't know. Tyndall, how did you hear about this coin? How did you hear about this coin? Was it on Twitter? Was it a post you saw? Was it from a YouTube channel? Like, how did you hear about this coin? Very curious. I mean, the candle bodies, they're getting larger, which is good, because we can see down here, you know, really tiny, we're on the daily time frame. Tiny candles, you know, just doing this. All this is like bots, buying, selling. That's just bots, you know, just making move. And then here, somebody bought. Hey, we got one. We got somebody buying. And then it comes down. Hey, we got some more people buying. Here now. Hey, we got some more people buying. And then now people taking profit who bought down here. Hey, we got some more people buying. So how did you hear about this coin? Very curious. So while you're typing that in, let me see. Let me see what I see. All right. So this one, it's kind of difficult because it doesn't play by the market structure rules. Market structure rules are up, down, you know, or down here, up, down, up, down. It just continues, right? This one, up, down, I'm taking off, but why? See here, I heard about it through Red Pill Professor. He covers stellar related coins. He covered how SHX has connections to PayPal Mafia. YouTube. Okay. So let us do some research. Red pill professor. Okay, red pill professor. Okay. I don't have the voice on.
How they are the infrastructure network that has the most capabilities, which is probably a little biased.
All right.
Fiat-backed tokens. And so, one of the things that we've seen is...
Let me put it on to where y'all can hear it. So let me turn off the background music and turn on the audio. And then hopefully y'all can hear this. Let me know if y'all can hear this.
Really the growth and excitement around, stable coins. I
don't think y'all can hear it. Can y'all hear that? I had it playing. Properties. Audio input. No, I put the wrong one. It's supposed to be output. Okay, so now y'all should be able to hear it.
Which are now at an all-time high, around 170 billion in circulation. And we talk to banks all over the world that are really interested in figuring.
Okay, let me know in the beginning if you heard an echo, because there might be an echo. But
as well. So Nick is saying that there's an article out there that says that JP Morgan changed their name from Onyx to Kinesis, because that happened about 1 month ago, because they didn't want to be confused with this Onyx of XCN. Now, my rebuttal to that is
not just connections in between XCN.
About a month and a half ago, November 6th, where it says Kinexis, Visa and Citi, I think it's going to be rolled out sooner than
to actually create content on this. I think that's some kind of a ploy.
Forgot I was on mute. That go went away. Okay, cool. Man, so I don't know if he just I gotta check him out. But I was just saying that he does these videos, it's SHX. He does a lot of them. PayPal Mafia, I guess that's the one you're referring to. Man, he does good, man. 8,000 views in one day. Shoot, man, I'm lucky if I get 8. And I'm over here making y'all money. I get 8 views. I got no respect. No respect. Let's see. Where'd that video go? I lost it. Listen.
222 progression and extremely involved in the video as well. And you for KYC and AML compliance, who just so happens to be a braids or a banned smart contract. X and Starling has some pretty of stablecoins, which is also incredibly one of the stablecoin. Here's a thread by Bridge on users in the US Stronghold itself was initially created in 2013 in
y'all probably can't hear it. It's okay. I'm just scanning through to see where he talks about this coin. What he says about it.
But what I would like to talk. All right.
Oh man. Whenever time I see her, I think scam. I think XRP. They had all those people brainwashed with this chick.
Meth. Optimism will have anything to do with it.
Please tell me he doesn't do that same thing too.
Those people.
Is she on every single video?
All of these change little in this video.
Is he an XRP army dude?
Use the words for cage designer.
I'm looking for when he talks about this.
So partnered with Elon because
X Money and PayPal Mafia choose Stellar.
Vast. Stripe also.
Oh, this dude's an XRP dude.
Of the supply of XRP.
Should have known. Gonna get you wrecked.
Essentially talking about the.
In my opinion,
invested in advisors at Stellar. Not trying to concentrate on it here. One measure against nefarious users involving Stellar. Showing how
I'm trying. Come on, man. Like
working.
When do you talk about this freaking coin?
It just so happens that it aims to, and it just an X about it. Conversion, Venmo ties interoperable with.
Oh, here we go.
Yo, Tammy Campbell and the XRPL, and also with the ILP. The CEO, Tammy Camp, came from Stellar. In 2020, Ripple invested into Stronghold. And in 2021, Stronghold joined Notch's Payment Innovation Alliance, where they are the only DLT preferred partner. And on top of that, the entity or Stronghold itself was initially created in 2013 in Tammy Camp's name, which was technically
so boring when all my viewers are leaving.
I talked a little bit and was coming in the Parable Guy stuff.
Yeah, let me see if this is an XRP army dude. If so, man, you better watch out with him or anybody who does. Let me see the very ending. Is it the same?
That is.
It's not the same. Good. If it was the same, I'd be like, oh man, be careful. Because I just do that one. Like, be careful because that's how they get you. Repetition. Gosh, darn it.
Two.
Because
okay, he doesn't do repetition.
I'm gonna go.
XRP. Man, you're in trouble, man. You're in big trouble if you're doing XRP, man. Yes, XRP army for sure. He's XRP army for sure. Yeah, you be careful, man. Be careful. Now, is XRP doing stuff? Yeah, definitely, of course. Finally, I'd be real careful. I'd be real careful. All right, so that's our time. I do thank you very much for being here. For the ones that made it through to the very end, I appreciate you. See here, how does this red pill guy have any views? He's putting me to sleep. Yeah. So it's XRP army. That's all it is. All the people who are brainwashed are the same people who are watching every single video. That's how he has the same ones. I'm not hating on him. Good for him with those views. But yeah, I mean it's all XRP army, and they're just feeding their brain with more of that nonsense. So yeah, that's all I got, guys. I do thank you so much. We were here for an hour, and we'll see you in the next video again tomorrow. We do this at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Maybe I should talk about XRP more and offer y'all Kool-Aid, because if so, I might get more than 8 views. Maybe 8,000. We'll see. Want some Kool-Aid? What flavor? Just let me know. All right, guys. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, let's make this money. Take care, guys. Everything I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. Like, it's super important. Now, if you're in the VIP, I have videos that are 3, 4, 5 minutes long on average. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would offer the free group, but it's already full. I have a huge wait list. So more than likely, if I do let 3 or 4 people go, the spots are filled. Not only that, but when people do sign up for the VIP because they're making money in the free group, I am very, very invested to make you money in this free group so you can get the VIP. When those people leave the free group and get into the VIP, well, there's just so many more people that are trying to take their spot. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're gonna make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money. Awesome, guys. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.